Now what happens if we have a poor pre-milking routine? And a poor pre-milking routine, that can be that the stimulation is not long enough, so the fore-stripping and wiping, or it can be that the interval between the start of the preparation and then cluster attachment is too short, so that we don't give enough time to the cow to eject the milk, to release the milk. Now, that's then what you see on the left side, so the bimodal curve. And there you see two peaks. And peak 1, that's the 20% of milk that is present in the udder when the cow enters the milking parlor. So on the y-axis, you can see the kilogram of milk per minute, so it's the milk flow. So the 1 is the milk that is present, the 2 is the milk that is squeezed into the udder and that was stored in the milk-producing cells. Now, in optimal situation, with an optimal pre-milking routine, we can go to the normal curve on the right side, where we have this very smooth transition between the first amount of milk that was present in the udder and then the amount of milk that was stored in the cells and can be released if oxytocin is produced and is making sure that the myoepithelial cells contract. So that's what we want, a very smooth transition so that there is no gap in between.